and Seo, our dynamic duo, set off on the start of their epic journey on the canal system of the United Kingdom. We wish them the best of luck. The early stages of the journey went without incident, and they soon settled into their epic trip. They were even challenged to a race by some super speed ducklings at one point. Navigating only by the stars, they were making surprisingly good progress. But is this the calm before the storm? Because soon our intrepid duo will face their first huge challenge. The first of 24 locks they would encounter during this epic voyage. The real challenge was soon to begin.
What are we going to do? It's very... it's so exciting.
Enough already. And to open it, we go... Which way do we go? That way.
Do you think you're doing it right, Dad?
Am I? The water level.
It's going in. It's going in. It's going in. It's going in. The water's going in, Dad. The water's going in.
The water's going out.
Mr. Lockkeeper, it's very nice of you. Thank you very much. Here, take this missus out for a drink tonight. Go on. Don't come through here again.
amicable and friendly. Always a friendly wave.
Look at that
when you
tosser up
went
there.
through.
They think they know it all, these fucking canal men. Tosser.
I'll see you at the next lot.
Madden boy, Bert has been winding these handles. He certainly knows what he's doing. Look at the skill in which he winds that handle. A magician at a lock gate, that's what we call him. Aren't you, Bert?
My name's not Bert.
Oh, who the hell are we talking to then? Sorry, Bert.
The physical nature of the job of lockkeeping has taken its toll on Bert's health over the years. He now just has 2 speeds, slow and very slow. I think he's going to be retired soon. Let's hope so. And so this seemingly endless journey continued. A dynamic duo going aground after getting lost, navigating on a Google Earth app on a smartphone through lack of proper charts. Eventually, they were near their destination. Lock 23 was soon going to rear its ugly head. Destination is only 20 minutes up there, but this is the final lock, and we need a special key to be able to move that sluice gate. Early the next morning, they would soon be on their way.
Finally, the magic key turns up, and our intrepid duo can continue their journey through darkest, deepest Northamptonshire. The key goes in the lock and the machinery whirs, and the gate closes. The gate that will allow our intrepid duo to freedom.
And finally, our intrepid duo found their way to this isolated marina in the middle of nowhere, and here they are enjoying a well-earned mug of good old Twining's tea.
Hey, look at that, man. Hey, look at that over there. Do you see that? Look at that over there. Look, did you see that?
What is that?